Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean, except we're not cooking shit today, we're fermenting shit, not actual shit, this shit. Lacto-fermented red onions, because it's fucking good for you, that's why. You need red onion, a big-ass knife, and some, ninja fucking skills. And a fermentation doohickey. We just got this thing on Amazon, but the most important part is this whirligig that keeps the air out. You just stick it in the hole. That's not the right hole. Oh, what if I kind of do no? Okay. Don't be a dumbass. Okay, I'll try harder. I'll hit the right hole. I'll even tweak the little knob. Did I do a good job? So dumb. Alright, you'll need salt. I use Celtic sea salt because it's all. No, don't be a dumbass. It's because it has no iodine. And you'll need some water. And yeah, I know you know what water looks like, but do you know what rusty eyeball swag looks like? Well, now you do. And wearing rusty eyeball swag whilst fermenting won't actually do anything. Fun fact, you have 30 trillion human cells in your body, but you have anywhere from 31 to 39 trillion bacteria, so basically you're around 57% congealed walking fucking bugs, and figured the only way I could convey that was with an AI filter, so I prompted, man turns into millions of bacteria, but all it did was fuck with my left arm. Look at that, what the fuck is that? So then I tried man turns into bugs, and it turned my left arm into a peacock amoeba fucking thing, and who the fuck is this motherfucker? The fuck? Then I tried text-only prompt. Bearded man in blue kitchen, covered in bacteria, not fucking surrounded. I settled for this shit right here. Well, at least now I know we aren't currently in danger of AI taking over the world. Still kind of a dumbass. Whoa, did it fucking hear me? Well, too bad I'm not fermenting psychedelic flowers or some shit. Dumbass. Just kidding, don't delete my bank account or something. Fucking AI. I feel so dirty. Well, the point is that you have a shit ton of bugs all up in your ass, figuratively and literally, and so why not have some say in it? Your gut biome affects your mental health big time, so instead of a bunch of shithead squatters, recruit the bacteria that'll work for you, and fermented food is the shizzle. Anywho, this shit is super simple. Just peel and have your red onion and do it sexy like. I mean, you are setting up a lacto-acid bacterial orgy on a tiny universal scale. I know. And I'm not going to say what that looks like. It looks like a JJ. So, yeah. I like using a slicer so you can get your onion bits thin and uniform. And don't cut your fucking knuckles off. I've done that before. Use the dealie there. Safety third, people. Feel free to take a cry break. Shit, I just touched my eye with onion finger. Fuck. Alright, well, I think you get the idea, but if you experience loss of appetite, abdominal pain, nausea, bloating, feeling shitty after eating, diarrhea, low energy, or nasty-ass farts, it's because you have lazy shithead bacteria that have taken over, so what you want to do is get all these horny bacteria going, and within the salty cosmos of perpetual fucking, they'll make you healthier and can mitigate depression, so, duh, why aren't you fucking eating orgies? Alright, now don't be a dumbass and try to pull onions out of the blade or you'll cut your big dumb thumb just like that. Cuts and onions are terrible bedfellows, but speaking of bedfellows, you cut yourself every time on that thing. Why are you so dumb? I don't know, just kiss it. Fine. I wasn't talking about my thumb, but that'll do. This really should be no more than a 30-second fucking video, but I just can't help but say dumbass shit. But alas, when peeling an onion, be it for eating or peeling your wrinkly pink meat onion for figuring your shit out, that's your brain, dumbass. A little levity balances out all the crying and shit. It's best not to take yourself too seriously, but seriously, put the fucking onions in the jar. Quit fucking around. And pack it till it's an inch from the top. It'll settle down later, and I like to add a little Band-Aid flavored blood. No! Alright. What was I doing? Oh yeah, eating red onions. Alright, let's get salty. 40 grams of either pure sea salt or the pink Himalayan shit. No iodine. 40 grams. And how we doing there? 40. 40, I says! Fuck it. And 1 liter of water. Don't put chlorinated shit in it. No bugs are gonna fucking chlorine. Well, I stirred this shit for a long time so I could say some profound shit, but this motherfucker's too long already, so how about don't take any wooden dickles. I don't know what a dickle is, though. I made it up. I guess it's a wooden dick. That would make sense on account of the splinters. But enough blood's been shed in my kitchen today already. Anywho, pour that brine over the onions till they're covered. That's it. Now, here's a little secret ingredient. This is from my sauerkraut video, and there's still some of the sex juice left, and we're going to add some to our new ferment, which is basically like sending a bunch of strippers to a bachelor party that are all, we're DTF, down to ferment. So, yeah. Anyway, weigh it down with something. You want it all under the brine. And, yeah, there you go. You are a newly minted god of an entire universe of critters eating, farting, and fucking within ringed galaxies of red onion. Ain't life fucking weird? Anyway, seal the lid and put this thing... Wait. fill it with water first. Put this thing half filled with water in the vent to let the schmeg farts out and prevent oxygen from getting in so they can fuck in their own waste and stink. I mean, it smells good to me though, but then we wait and stare at it. No, don't be a dumbass. Put it somewhere warmish, out of the sunlight, and then stare at it. It's like a cosmic strip club. No, it's really not. Well, I'm going to do more fermenting shit, so if you don't want to miss any of it, you can sign up there for my weekly What the Fuck. It's there. Hello, it's free. Right there. Man turns into red onion. Oh, for fuck's sake. Toodaloo.